More fucking walnuts?
Oh yeah, more walnuts fell out.
Shit. Walnuts. Here at the Power Torque. Walnuts, eh? This is before.
Want to see a head come off?
Yep, let's take the head off this beast. Let's tear the head off.
He's not gonna do it.
Oh shit. Got enough air?
Get it. Breaker bar.
Walnuts. They're breaking my nuts.
You're just breaking my balls.
Breaking my balls, breaking my nuts. Nothing better than the old-fashioned breaker bar.
Yeah, the old-fashioned muscle on. I see a lot of people do this. Breaks through the on.
Oh man!
Shit. Bam!
I've done that.
Use body weight.
Yeah.
You get it out here and you just kind of.
I even smacked myself in the face one time doing that shit.
I had a fucking wrench. I was working like this. Damn thing slipped out. Hit me right in the tooth. It's got a spider crack on my tooth.
This is the worst camera. It's already getting blurry.
Yeah, I mean, you got a Canon.